Hi sir, good evening. I am April Sigarino, BPA 3, Section 2. Um, I choose characteristic of communication. Communication is clear main ideas. It's, uh, it's relevant to my college life. Number one is understanding coursework. Clear comprehension lecture material and assignments is essential for academic success, helping you grasp concept and excel in exams. Number two is effective communication, clear articulation of ideas in discussion, presentations, and writing ensures your thoughts are understood and facilitates better interaction with professors, peers. And number three is goal setting and planning. Clarity in setting academic and personal goals helps in prioritizing tasks, managing your time efficiently, and maintaining focus. Number four is decision making. Decision making, clear understanding of your option and their consequences aids in making informed choices between your major, extracurricular activities, and career path. And that is my topic. Thank you and good evening, sir.